protein sludge, or as we like to call it, protein poo. Protein sludge is an easy to make late night snack, perfect for when you're hungry and you want to grab something quick. You're going to want to start and put 2 scoops of vanilla protein. We prefer casein because it's a slow digesting protein, but whey works as well. Just have a dash of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, or if you'd like a lower fat content, you can just go with 1 scoop. You'll want to put just a little dash of almond milk to help mix everything up, and you'll be good to go. Sludge is great because there's so many variations involved. You can have all kinds of different ingredients. It's up to you to mix it up. You're going to want to put it in the freezer for between 30 to 60 minutes. And then your sludge will be good to go. Now, if vanilla cinnamon isn't your thing, there's many more combinations you can try, like this graham cracker flavored protein sludge, and also the chocolate brownie flavored protein sludge. So get out there, get creative, and start making that protein poo, or protein sludge.